And dink, dink, we're back with another podcast. Welcome,
High
everyone.
five over Keaton. Woo!
Oh, sorry.
Welcome back to the Jenna Julian
I
podcast.
thought I heard high five with
High five,
Keaton.
Matt.
Another
Matt, hey, Matt,
High
don't leave her
five.
hanging.
Woo!
another week with guests.
So that was the first guest that's ever intercepted our high five.
Yeah, we normally try to high five like in front of them
Over
to
the
make them
guests.
feel really weird.
Oh, see, that
So you didn't
shit
let
don't
that.
fly.
You out-weirded us.
That don't fly.
This week we have Keaton and Matt from TechSmart. Thank you guys for joining us for the
Hey.
podcast. We're excited to have both of you.
Thank you for
You were fresh off a plane. You just got off
Fresh.
out of
fresh off the
sky.
boat. Seriously, fresh off the boat.
And you know what I bet you were probably doing in the sky? I mean, I'm almost positive you were on Headspace because you were probably training your mind for a healthier, less stressed life through the Headspace app, which you guys can do today, right now. You can do the Take 10 challenge, which is 10 days of free guided meditation. Go to headspace.com/Jenna Julian to get started. Thanks for that.
I'm gonna try that.
I appreciate using the app. That's really cool.
I know, it was great. I was on the plane, like, nothing
Yeah.
better.
Oh, yeah. All you need is your headphones and your phone, and you're good.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's been a little long time coming to have Keaton on the podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
And
used
he's
to
here
live way up north.
What do you call it?
If we're not gonna say
Okay.
that.
All right. There's a name for it we can't say on the
It's
podcast.
probably for the better.
Probably for the best.
Yes.
So you want to move a little close so we can hear you? Just
Yeah, I'll go like this when
Okay,
I talk.
cool.
I'm just relaxing. I want to talk about the fact that Matt just flew in from Rochester.
Just for this.
And-
He's leaving tonight. Just for this.
No,
Just for this, Jenna.
shut up.
just for the
Just
podcast.
yeah, just the
This is how
podcast.
gullible I am, though. Like I will
But
believe anything that you say.
especially with
for a
Keaton, he's
second.
pretty convincing when he does that.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
We're great.
Keaton knows that though. Keaton stayed at the house for a weekend. Keaton's pretty dope.
Never
But
again, Joe.
Matt just flew
Yeah.
from Rochester. We're from a town over from each other. Our towns are rivals.
Your moms know each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
Small world.
Well, if your both moms live in Rochester, it's not that crazy that they know each other, but it is that crazy that they live in Rochester and know each
They
other.
both still live in Rochester. So do you still live like you live there?
Yeah, like our house in Pittsburgh. Like the house I grew up in. My
And so you're back and
mom's
forth from here,
Yeah.
TechSmart, Rochester.
How is Rochester?
Great. It actually was really good. Like I was usually I go back and it's like so, but like Wegmans is on point. Yeah.
That's the grocery
Killing
store.
me.
Yeah, we
Killing
were just
me.
talking about Wegmans.
You're
Oh,
killing me.
okay.
Like
Like on the stream, someone brought up Wegmans, I think, right? Yeah.
I want to go to Wegmans so bad.
Remember Clemenza's?
no, I don't think she ever saw
No.
Oh.
What's
pizza.
Clemenza?
Do you know what a garbage plate is?
Garbage
Oh,
plate.
of
You
course,
have
of
to,
course
She knows
obviously.
the garbage
Of course
plate.
I
Do you like garbage plates?
I love garbage plates.
Jenna does too, but
I
she
don't like
hasn't
mac
had it
salad.
in years.
Mac salad scares me.
Yeah. No.
No.
Wait,
Why
mac
does Mac
salad?
salad scare
Mac
you?
salad's the
What do you mean
best.
it scares you? It's pasta in salad or pasta
delicious.
salad, right?
When
Yeah.
when people
But
call
you can't have a garbage
Yeah,
plate now.
I can't eat it.
You can
but
eat a vegan. We should
I
make a
can
vegan garbage
pretend
plate.
one.
It's another J&J's kitchen right there.
That's true. We should do
Well,
that.
what about brown beans? Can you do baked beans?
No, but they have like
Depends.
meat substitute that
Right.
you can
Yeah.
use, and then all you need is just the vegan mac, right?
Yeah.
What else comes on a garbage plate?
You can pick.
Yeah.
You could do like a veggie burger on the top instead of like a cheeseburger.
Oh,
you know?
got it.
What did you
Since when is that a choice?
since you put
That's
like
crazy.
You put like cheeseburgers
How
on top.
progressive.
You haven't been there in a bit.
been a
How
while.
progressive.
Yeah, no, I mean like a long time ago when it was just like you can get 2 cheeseburgers, 2 hot dogs, or like a Godfather, which is like everything,
Godfather.
or some shit
Just
like
the
that.
I can
Damn,
feel
you guys
it
had all
clogging my
really good
eyes.
I know,
You
right?
can feel it
You guys
clogging.
had all
your-
really good childhoods.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. I'm trying to move this a little towards there.
Rochester, is the weather nice there yet, or still?
Still sucks. It got warm yesterday, but it's been like 50 degrees. So
Ew.
yeah, it's been
Jesus.
a bad spring. Bad spring.
Brighton's better than Pittsburgh.
That doesn't concern us, am I right, Keaton?
I don't know if
out in
Brighton's better
Cali.
than Pittsburgh.
Brighton's better than Pittsburgh. Brighton is better than Pittsburgh.
Why don't we revisit this argument in a little bit? We'll
Or
come back to this.
Move
little
the
feud.
podcast
Yeah,
next week.
that's-
We'll do a real world experiment. Social experiment. How?
That's true. That's true.
I think the problem is that there is no answer to that. Brighton and Pittsburgh are both equal.
They're both good.
Well, they're both in Rochester, so how good can they be?
Yeah.
Brighton is a better softball team than Pittsburgh.
Okay, I don't think he's arguing that.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah,
fighting.
okay,
with
so
that.
you
were a
won that.
softball
That- Jenna
player?
wins that.
Let's talk about this. You were a softball
Yeah,
player?
she played college
went through-
softball.
all the way through college.
She was the captain in sophomore year, right? College?
Junior.
Junior.
Sophomore? Actually, I
Sophomore.
don't remember.
Wow, guys, some captain. Anyway, a quick little background
No, you
on
might be right,
TechSmart for those who don't know right now. Keaton and Matt run a channel called TechSmart. It's youtube.com/tech. And they make really interesting, cool tech videos, and they have for quite a while. You used to live in Jersey. Chicago. Oh, it was your buddy who lived in
Yeah,
Jersey.
Phil.
So I was just watching your videos
He got it,
yesterday,
he
and
got
you guys back and
That
forth.
was the history.
So you used to live in Chicago. You moved out here,
Mm.
and you're continuing your videos. for anyone who's seen your videos knows that they're not. I like to call them not run-of-the-mill tech videos because they're not. They, like there's so many tech videos and tech channels out there, and yours just doesn't blend in with them.
Yeah, I don't know. It was just kind of like I used to try to be someone I wasn't and just try to do the cookie cutter kind of like, let's make a voiceover, let's do these shots. And like, honestly, that doesn't matter if you have personality, if you're passionate. I make videos how I want to make them. Same thing with Matt. And like, that's just what works really well for us, Yeah,
I honestly think like I've been watching you for a while now, and I've seen you kind of come into your own.
Yeah, we've been friends for a while. You've seen the progression.
Yeah, absolutely. Because there's been a lot of it.
Oh yeah. I mean, I used to just sit on my couch, not give a fuck, and just be in pajamas.
Even before that, I watched some old Keaton videos, and my favorite thing in the world. Okay,
I saw those.
I think you're like 12 or 13.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, can we before you do that? Can you disclose right now how old Keaton is?
Keaton's 18, 19.
Yeah, Keaton is 18 right
Keaton's
now.
18 years old.
To give you some context.
Matt, how old are you?
I'm 19.
19.
Crazy.
18 and 19, so they're kids.
Yeah. Well, you guys aren't
Julian,
kids.
you're a kid too.
I'm 24. I am a man. I'm 40.
You guys are on a platform doing your own thing, like, and you have been for a long time. And as of now, how long have you been doing videos?
It'll be 6 years in December.
And
crazy.
he's 18, just to give you some context.
Yeah, so you rewind all the way back to the beginning, and you see a little tiny Keaton with braces and a lav mic. He had a lav mic on, and he.
Have you guys been working together that whole time?
We've been.
Yeah, how long have you guys been working together?
4
or 5 years. Yeah,
Matt
had a YouTube channel. That's how I found out about Matt, and we just like started talking. And then,
and you were in Chicago, and you were in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, it was just like one of those like meet people through the internet kind of thing, and like we
farmersonly.com.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Glutenfreesingles.com.
Gluten-free.
That's a fucking thing, right?
Is it really?
I think it is.
Gluten-free. But yeah, that's like how we met. We stayed friends, and ever since there, our kind of relationship just like built. And we've done like we went to Australia together in the fall for the new
That was
iPhone.
really cool. So you guys do all sorts of crazy trips like that, where you're going places for specific videos that like they're not guaranteed. You kind of have to pull them off once you're there.
Exactly. We've had some trips where like it doesn't go down.
The 6S.
Yeah,
you were in Australia for that.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, what was that like? Because I followed along with that. It looked pretty intense.
You saw the outside perspective. Like, I just slept.
No, that was like a blur for you, I feel like.
Oh, yes.
That was...
Much of life
Can I talk
was a
about
blur.
our other friend who was there as well?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we went to Australia to do the 6S, like, to drop, like, first, right? Because Australia is the first time zone in the world. So
that's literally...
I know, it's insane to think about.
That's so
You guys
sick.
went to Australia to get the phone before Americans or anybody else because of the time zone. It's like,
it's the time zone. And, like, it sounds crazy, but, like, that's the difference between, like, getting the big video and not getting the big video. Right. And so we're in Sydney, and we camped out for 6 days.
Yeah, we didn't need to camp out for 6 days.
We didn't need to camp out for 6 days.
We found out that you could have just pre-ordered and then an in-store pickup.
And showed up at 4 a.m. that morning.
But you guys were there for 6 days.
Yeah, it was the experience. It was the experience.
It made for a good vlog.
Some prostitutes came up to Matt, tried to solicit him for services, and vice versa.
Woo!
Thank God for Snapchat, because I was there through all that.
Yes, that's true. We made an entire video on it. I waited a week for the iPhone 6S.
So how did that video do?
It did pretty well, got like 200K, but back then,
the drop test.
Oh, the drop test.
The drop test
we pulled like
1.5
1.5 on that.
So you did a drop test and you did a review?
We did a review.
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah, that was a review we did.
Oh, that's right. I was on.
We hooked him up with the phone early.
All right. Sorry about that, guys. We had a technical difficulty, but we are back now. Anyway, where were we? So all right. So
Australia.
I wanted to Australia. Well, I wanted to talk about you guys have been doing like I feel like your videos have been more and more Keaton based.
Mm-hmm.
They're less what's in my hand and more like what's in my hand and also who I am. And I feel like that's cool because your channel is growing a lot right now.
Yeah.
And there's something to be said about that because in the tech space there really aren't too many personalities. That's
true.
I mean, as a consumer, I don't really off the top of my head, I can't be like, oh, I like this guy's personality when he reviews tech. I like his videos. It's quality videos, but maybe it's not like I don't want to go there and relate to him. Mm-hmm. And I feel like you're kind of bridging that gap, which is kind of cool. I mean, that's obviously like it's something you're working on and trying to do, right?
Yeah, I think I want to hear Matt's opinion on this, but like when we started in January, when Matt first came out here to like live in California, just like with the channel, it was more we were trying to find our style because like in the fall I had I don't give a fuck attitude. Like I wore pajamas in 95% of the videos.
I remember.
beautiful. Like if I could go back to that time,
Yellow
I would.
backpack era.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, it's still yellow backpack.
Oh, still the yellow backpack. But
But
like,
that's not in every freaking shot now.
do you want it to be Julian?
No, I don't. I'm
you want it to be?
good riddance. Goodbye,
Sure.
yellow backpack.
So like it was just kind of like that, and that's kind of what helped develop the personality. Because I kind of just felt lost prior, and then when Matt came out here, my big focus was quality and just kind of making the channel just enjoyable every video you watch. The big thing with like what we do, which I think really sets us apart, is every video we make, we want you to have a good time. If you don't care about tech, perfect. I don't care. But I want you to be able to enjoy yourself. I want you to learn something new, check out something you wouldn't see on any other channel. And that's what we try to embody in each and every video. And I think we do that 100% to the best of our abilities. And I think Matt is like a producer of all the videos. He's been able to amp up the quality, cut the bullshit because I like to ramble, and just kind of make them good and enjoyable. I don't know. What do you...
No, that's you pretty much got
Yeah,
it.
you guys work well together. I feel
Yeah.
like you keep each other in check pretty well.
For
and,
sure.
Yeah, it's a nice checks and balances going on. Okay, so right now it's May.
Yeah.
What is the next huge thing that's going to happen for you guys in the tech world? Like, is there a release? Is there something around the corner?
Dub. Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure. Dub.
WWDC, which stands for like the Worldwide Developer Conference. So every year that
You
happens.
call it Dub Dub?
Yeah,
Dub
Dub. Our good friend Will Smidlian, patented the word Dub Dub, or started saying it in our friend group, and ever since then it has stuck.
Okay.
But it's like
It's
when
where
they,
Apple.
yeah, exactly. It's when they show off the new software for like your iPhone. And I know you've been reluctant to upgrade to software, Jenna. Just bang bang, bang bang.
She was on iOS 8 for like,
Really?
Yeah, true.
So long.
That's a Matt Jones move. That's a Matt Jones move.
That is something I would do.
So we'll see
I
iOS
liked
10.
it. I wasn't convinced I wanted to update it yet.
iOS
They
10.
hadn't sold me.
I
I'm
was
not a
trying.
sheeple.
Okay. They
Oh,
hadn't
that's
sold
my
you.
entire audience. We all like Apple stuff. Like we're just fanboys.
They hadn't sold you, but every time I show you a feature, you're like, oh, how do I do that?
Like,
Well, you update, Jenna.
It's not
That's
an
how you
app,
do it.
Jenna. It's the actual software.
It's not an
okay?
app. Oh my god. Okay. iOS 10.
Yeah.
What are your? I mean, can you talk about what you think is going to happen? Like, do you think there's going to be anything kind of mind blowing, or just
One of my friends, Sonny Dixon, he's like really big in the Apple world.
Yeah.
He says the lock screen is really cool. That's all he's
The
told
lock
me.
screen is
the
cool.
lock screen is going to be dope.
Okay.
Take it with a grain of salt because like
Yeah.
I haven't seen it. There's been nothing else about it, but like
Yeah.
he's got a pretty good track record, and that'd be really dope to see a cool lock screen like
Well, that's something that stayed pretty much the same for quite.
that. And just like I feel like iOS is stale. Matt, I want you to talk about this because like
I was going to
Okay.
wait. I was
Matt
very
cares a
simple.
lot about-
It's very
Yeah.
simple, Julian. Either it's going to be okay. Remember iOS 7?
It's just
remember
gonna flop.
big? Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember iOS 7? That was like a big change.
Yeah.
If we don't see that again, like it's over.
Like
I'm
the
saying-
revamp?
The revamp.
Yeah.
Remember like the flat icons,
Yeah.
and the different messages, like
the
everything.
control center,
Yeah.
the swipe
Yeah,
up, thing,
everything got changed. Like iOS 8 was the repeat. iOS 9 was a repeat. Like for the most part,
Yeah.
didn't change.
Well, it was within the same style that they created
Yeah.
with iOS 7.
Like you could look at iOS 7 and just you quickly showed someone they wouldn't know if that was iOS 7, 8, or 9.
So the change between 6 and 7 needs to happen again from 9
That's
to
what
10.
we need from 9 to 10.
Interesting.
Very simply said. And if that doesn't happen, there's going to be a lot of upset people.
I feel like Apple's kind of pissing people off already. So
I mean,
it's
they
not
didn't
gonna
have
take-
record quarter.
Yeah.
They didn't have record earnings.
Yeah. I mean, what do you think of the 5C, right?
The
C?
5SE.
The SE?
Five-
Yeah,
five
just the
SE,
just
SE, yeah.
See?
We own one. It's a good phone for people who have like small hands.
Yeah.
I still feel like people are getting screwed for $500, and
Yeah.
I don't feel like
That's what a lot of people
it's
say.
worthy. I think
Yeah.
maybe the second gen would be great, but like Hyatt's 2016, don't sell me something for $500 that doesn't have the same specs as like a 6S. You know,
Yeah.
I don't know, just like
And pink MacBook Pro at WWDC.
Pink MacBook
Pink
Pro.
MacBook Pro.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yes.
fire it up.
If that
Fire it up.
drop
Got to match our
everything-
pink phone and our pink
Yeah.
shirt. Yeah.
Yeah, there we
Pink
go.
MacBook Pro.
Well, because the rose gold, right? I mean, basically,
Rose gold.
yeah.
Right,
so
no, you-
Rose gold, Julian.
Jenna's
Represent.
completely lost.
No, I just fucking had
Do you know what an iPhone is, Jenna?
What have you had it with? What have you had it with?
I don't want a pink MacBook. I want it to be better than the one that I currently own. That's it. Period.
What do
So
you
fuck
currently
off.
own?
Which
I
year?
don't even know.
Is it
My-
fat
my-
or is it thin?
It's
My
it's
laptop-
fat. It's not the 23. It's like 2010 or 2011.
Oh, so it's a MacBook Pro,
Yeah.
but not Retina.
It's just
No,
after like
not
iBook G4.
Oh.
No, it's like the first MacBook
Oh my god.
Pro. It was not
Okay.
Retina. It's old.
Yeah.
So just the original MacBook Pro.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Anything's better than that.
Even
No,
my
I know that.
Yeah.
but even my 2013 Retina right now is slowing down
Yeah, that's what,
hardcore.
that's
Yeah.
what we have, and we're ready
Well, are
to
you
ditch
shooting in
it.
4K?
No, not much.
Okay.
Sometimes, but not much.
Okay. But yeah, we should. Hoping WWDC is great. You
Yeah.
know, we used to in the past, and this is a good.
So where is it?
It takes place in
San Francisco.
Yeah, San Francisco.
Oh, every year at San Francisco.
Yep.
Yeah, just different.
And
venues.
Apple Watch too, but I hate the Apple Watch.
So Apple Watch
Say
2
it,
or
Matt.
the next-
Reach,
just
reach
the
it.
next one, right?
No, the
next-
Apple Watch 2. Yeah, so the next iteration
gen.
will be talked about
Whoa.
Interesting.
there.
I want can you let it out for a second? Why do you hate the Apple Watch? Because
Should I actually let it out?
Smartwatch.
what?
If you preach Pebble,
Well,
I
no,
will
no,
kill
no.
you.
Well, I did work for Pebble, so I have a.
I will kill
You
you.
have a relationship with
I have a
Pebble.
relationship with Pebble, so you
Yeah.
can't. I guess I can't give an unbiased opinion, but
The reason I hate Pebble is it doesn't stay connected to my phone.
but
And
you're the only person
it's
who's
your
ever.
phone. No, it's not
your
my
phone.
phone. It's
It
not.
is
I've
your
gotten 3
phone.
phones. I break phones once a month. Okay.
Well,
Once a month I get a new
Probably
phone.
more often than that, actually.
So true.
yeah.
So like I took a picture. The Bluetooth says disconnected, but yet it's still connected. Like hi, like get it together. Like I bought 3 watches from Kickstarter
I don't-
because that's the business model. Get it together. Come on,
All
get
right,
it together.
All right, so now let's let Matt talk about Pebble, the company that he has a relationship
Yeah,
with,
man.
and the Apple.
Jesus Christ.
One, the Apple Watch is expensive. It's not cheap. It costs more than the phone, right?
Yeah.
It's as much as the phone.
It's
like
expensive.
$300,
It's not
$400
cheap.
for a
Yeah,
watch,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's one. 2, it tries to do a lot of stuff that I don't think we're ready to do. Like you don't like. Do you make phone calls with it? You have an Apple Watch,
Very,
right?
very rarely. This is
Only if
I'm
you're
not
trying to
wearing
be funny.
Right. Or trying to like show off, like look what the Apple Watch.
I think I've done it serious once when I was like, I couldn't find my phone. The delivery guy was calling, and I was like, "Fuck, all right, hello."
Right. But it's like it's weird.
Yeah, it's not something. Yeah,
So I don't think they should try and put up this.
they should stick to basics
Onto your wrist.
and
That's-
just do well at those things.
Right. Gives notifications. That's
Yeah.
a big thing. Notifications is cool.
That's one of the reasons I use.
Yeah, that's the
text
best feature of
notifications.
the
Yeah,
smartwatch
yeah.
is getting notifications on your wrist.
Yeah.
Your hands are full, your phone's in your pocket.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Someone quickly dings you, okay, I don't care about that, and you go on with your
You
day.
know what it is. Yeah.
Yeah. So
And
that,
being able to respond to messages.
That's what I'm saying. Like that's a lot less important than knowing that the message is
Than
there.
knowing the message
That's
is
the
there.
main part. I feel like because
I
every time someone says, "Is the Apple Watch worth it?" and it happens quite a bit. People are like, well, "Should I buy it?" I would always just say the notifications is the only reason I use it. I initially thought that the fitness part would be why I use it, and I don't.
True.
I used it for a while for that, and then I was like, I mean,
sleep tracking is cool. Does Apple Watch do that?
I don't think so
Or not?
because
It
you have to
does.
charge it at night.
Well, yeah, it does.
true.
But that's
Yeah,
the
that's
thing
a-
is that
that's
you
not
you
great.
then have to charge it during the day in order for it to last while you're sleeping. I
Yeah.
did it one time and it was cool, but then I was like, well, now I can't wear it during the day. So then what the fuck is the point?
True. That's the other thing too. I forgot. This is like 5 days battery. So
Damn, and
Not-
that's Pebble.
yeah, it's a Pebble. I just got it.
Do you like it? It
Oh.
looks snazzy.
Yeah, it's cheap. It's like $150.
I like the
But
band.
that's a price point that a watch should be.
Right.
You know, not as expensive as the Apple Watch. I have one. I liked it. I do like it, but it's frustrating that it costs that much money.
Right. And it's trying to do so much.
Right, and none of which it's really doing well.
Yeah, exactly.
The one thing I will say about Pebble, they have a good community, and like I don't see it with the Apple Watch. Like the apps in there are good, the watch faces are great. I like that. Just connectivity to my phone. Like if you want to just send me a phone, Pebble, like just hook a brother up. But I think.
Pebble does watch our
with the
podcast
next
every week.
Pebble, I'm really excited to see like where it goes and just like what that means for smartwatches. Because like being in this industry, like wearables, we see these trends kind of like on YouTube. You see like pranksters, rant channels, all that stuff. We see it with like wearables,
Right,
phones,
yeah.
VR, 360 video
Got
stuff.
it,
Like
got it.
that was a big deal. This is kind of the last year for it, and if it doesn't work,
It's kinda
wearables aren't
dead.
going to be a thing.
Yeah. There's a reason you don't see everyone and their mom wearing an Apple Watch when you go out. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Everyone has an iPhone. Like everybody has an iPhone.
Yeah.
Not everybody has an Apple
True.
Watch.
because it hasn't reached that point of everyone could use the accessibility part of it. Like,
And will it reach that
Data.
point?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that's a big
Yeah.
what if, you know?
yeah, but I guess we'll see like very soon.
Right.
Yeah,
I think they have a shot to do it this year. Like I hope Apple does it right and like
Yeah.
gets their heads out of their asses and like, all right, we built a watch and this is what people actually want,
Yeah.
not us just trying to force it what we think it should be.
yeah.
So I don't know. We'll
No,
see.
I'm interested. I mean, it's definitely frustrating because you're so excited for the Apple Watch and then it kind of falls short in some areas, and you're like, well, now I'm frustrated. But thankfully, I know what to do when I'm frustrated. I get on Headspace. Guys, anytime you feeling emotions, everyone goes through emotions every single day.
that
Frustration, anger,
segue.
stress, anxiety. They all start in your head, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can get on the Headspace app right now and have guided meditation. What is guided meditation? It's basically you having someone coach you in relaxing and less stressing your life through an app on your phone. You get the Headspace app and you do guided meditation. It takes 10 minutes a day. You do it from anywhere. As long as you have your phone, your headphones, you can be at work and just head out for 10 minutes and get some real headspace in. guys, meditation in one form or another has been rooted in thousands of years of research and tradition and research. And it's proven it does reduce stress in your life, which is huge. Wherever you are, you can now do 10 days of free guided meditation. That's a coach helping you meditate. It's not just sitting there shutting your eyes. It's actually relaxing your mind with technique, which is awesome. If you haven't ever tried it, it's worth a try. Go to headspace.com/Jenna Julian. It's very, very interesting how it works and how you realize kind of taking yourself out of your zone for one quick moment a day can help you. So check it out. Go to headspace.com/Jenna Julian and let us know how you like it.
Thank you, Headspace.
Thank you, Headspace.
You can try it for free.
10 days for free.
I want to talk about something because Keenan and I had a really interesting conversation as someone okay, I'll move closer to my sorry.
Please.
Julian.
No, it's fine.
So irritated at me. As someone that's in a different part of YouTube, there's definitely different groups. You have your tech community, whatever the fuck I do, the beauty guru community, but there's
beauty guru, Jenna.
Yeah,
that's the community you're in.
Fuck yeah, I wish, dude. There's definitely different groups, and within those groups, it's very competitive sometimes. I think that the tech industry are on community, or I'm sorry, I can't even fucking speak. The tech community on YouTube and the beauty guru community are very similar, and that's fucking what? A lot of what you do is competitive because you're working with reviews of similar products, and in the tech community, if you don't get it first, because I remember we had this conversation a long time ago, where you're trying to swim with these people they have an in, they're getting these products before anyone else. So how are you supposed to be able to fucking compete with this review, and whoever has it first, gets the video? You know what I mean? Yeah. And so how do you compete with that? But then I think the beauty guru community is sort of the same in that anyone that has the what the fuck is that?
This is my no.
Oh, how they show the
these are my favorites for May.
Right.
Yeah, because the focus had focus as well.
But sometimes if they get their hands on a product first, they get a video for that because they have
and
it.
And the video does really well.
But they also get to it has to do with technique or ability or thing. They can review old products and talk about it and all of that stuff. You guys don't necessarily sometimes have the luxury of being able to review old technology and rave about it, whereas the beauty guru community does. Because your videos are now a conscious shift into turning them as more personality driven. They're more Keaton based. I know this was a conscious choice of yours, but can you talk about that at all in terms of are you happier now? Is it less stressful or more stressful to be personality based? Because I know it's
kind of both. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say, can I?
I want you to go.
Because I get the outside. Yeah, Matt, I'm not on the I'm behind the camera most of the time.
If Matt couldn't be known, Matt would like that. Matt doesn't want to exist, but wants to exist.
I don't have an Instagram. I have a Snapchat, but
and a Visco cam, but doesn't have a Visco cam.
And a Visco. I like to post pictures on Visco. But
wait, that's an actual place where you can post pictures.
Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
I thought it was just a filter app.
Perfect.
Okay.
We're right where we need to be.
So what are your thoughts looking in from the outside and rarely being on camera? Because you do appear sometimes.
I do appear sometimes. Yeah. I've done my fair share of virals. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
I have some 5 million view videos.
Yeah.
Every video Matt does has 1 million or more.
Yeah. If I show up on camera, you know it's about to get real.
If I show up, it's about to get real.
So true.
A good one that I would say is here's a good example. Did you see the Rihanna headphones?
Yes, I did.
Because that's close. Because that's a beauty
thing. Laughing.
You like that one, right? And that was a perfect example. We got that first. If we had not, whoever got that first had that video. Right.
Just to give some context, these are $9,000 headphones that Rihanna took an Instagram picture in that looked like that tiara. And then Keaton got a hold of them, put them on his head, and was they sound mediocre. Are they? But you sort of treated it like a serious.
Oh, exactly. You have to.
They were so bad.
Anybody watching your fucking video is going to be like,
well, I just had a question. I was is this how music's supposed to sound? I had to take a pause. I was just am I missing something?
It's funny. But keep going.
So that's a perfect example. Anyone in the tech space could have gotten there. I mean, you need $9,000 to put me up for the headphones, but anyone who got that first had the video. And there was not going to be a double video for that. If someone had posted that and we got beat to it, we probably wouldn't have posted it.
if I risk $9K, I'm gonna make a video.
No, exactly.
But
That's
like,
true.
we would have had to do a different take.
We would have
and we've always
totally
having to do
different
that.
take.
But I'll mention that.
Yeah,
next.
you get to that. So like that was a good example of like we got that first, and the same thing again. We just did the 3D printed shoes. We got our hands on that. Like again, we're the only like no one else.
Well,
did
one
it.
of 44.
Yeah, one of 44 for stars. That was
Pairs
cool though.
Yeah.
of the shoe.
44
Yeah.
pairs
Okay,
of
yeah.
shoes. So it's already going to be hard enough for people to get them, but like we got those first. So we did the video. So like we beat that there. But there's definitely been times like where we've gotten beat and we've had to scrap stuff for sure.
Yeah.
And I wish it wasn't that way. But by driving the personality, you can kind of, then you don't have to worry about that.
You don't have to rely on
You
it.
don't have to
As much,
rely on
right.
And I think when like with our relationship, like you and I both know, like if we weren't first with the iPhone, we were just like, oh, well, that's been a great year.
Yeah.
Same thing with like the drops. Like I used to get really big anxiety over this, and like I'd freak Matt out because like if I'm stressed, Matt gets stressed.
I know what that's like. Secondhand stress from Keaton. I've seen
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you've seen that.
It's true.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I think most recently it started to happen like where we've been beat on products that, I might have made a video on a month earlier. I'm not going to say who, but it just kind of comes down to personality and like why you want to go. I mean, I hope at the end of the day that you're interested in the product and me. And if that's a both, then it's a win-win. If you're only interested in one or the other, that's okay. But
Well, I love the balance that you have. 'Cause
Yeah.
You do kind of, dabble in both arenas, which is huge for the channel that you guys have. It's like we don't rely on one thing. We kind of have a couple of different avenues that we can strengthen our channel with. And it's obviously nice seeing a channel, with great audio, great lighting, and technically great, but also like you have really maybe not, everyday items that you're reviewing. You're reviewing
Your selfie spoon.
your selfie
that?
fucking spoon, like things like that.
You want a selfie? Yes. It's been washed time and time again.
So
It's sitting in the box. We'll
Oh
bring
my
it over
God.
next time.
That's
but I
ridiculous.
think specifically more, we've really reached out. So like we're not doing iPhone cases or like traditional.
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
We're
Yeah.
really reaching
The
for
yeah.
the weird,
It's just like
crazy-
Which
cool
I
stuff
think-
that has a tech spin.
No, and absolutely. I think anyone who does watch your channel can attest to that. Like if you were to ask them, like, where would you find items being reviewed that you would not find anywhere else? And that's your channel, which is really cool. That's just thinking about getting these products and sometimes getting them first. That stresses me out.
Oh,
Just
it's
thinking about
very stressful, and I
Yeah.
tell Matt about it every time. Like I come up with like an idea, and I have to go to hell and back to get them.
Yeah.
But like I'm a very determined individual, and like I do
Dude,
want my
any
I want my
13-year-old
audience-
lav micing himself is a determined individual.
Oh, thanks, Julian. With
I appreciate your
squeaking,
13.
squeaking around the internet.
Oh my god, guys! All right, so go to TechSmart, go to youtube.com/tech, and go to the oldest
Sweet.
videos.
Julian,
They are so
you're
amazing.
troll.
It's hilarious. No, it's hilarious.
It's
They're,
the
they're
bomb.com.
great. They're great.
The bomb.com.
I'll show Jenna the picture.
But what you've done for yourselves though is that
Exactly. It had to happen.
you've created a longer term business plan than just our ability to get our hands on technology first. Julian, it's like a picture of him as a baby.
Look at that hair.
Yeah.
Oh, I
But you've
love it.
decided though that you're worth investing more into than anything else within your business space.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which I think takes a lot of courage to do, being like, for the time being, maybe I'm not going to get these videos that are getting all these views because I'm not getting my hands on this technology. It might take a little while to grow this channel, but then people are invested in you personally.
And there's
Yeah.
longevity to that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's, in my opinion, it's a smarter way to create things is when people are coming to see you personally, along with some things that you guys enjoy.
Yeah. And I think with my audience being so young, I mean, the prime.
Is your audience young?
Yeah, it's
Oh, yeah.
13 to 18
Wow.
is mostly our demo. So it's
Well,
great.
that's
'cause-
also like everyone's demo is mostly that,
Yeah.
unless whatever.
Yeah.
Because that's the majority of people consuming online content.
but with the tech channels, it's different.
Really,
Yeah, no,
I
for
mean,
sure.
I think we're
You'd say it's
probably one
older?
of the other. Yeah.
We're probably on the lower end of like ages.
got it.
Yeah.
For sure.
Well,
I'd say.
you're also on the lower end of ages.
Yeah.
No, and that's what appeals. No,
Right.
totally.
Like
if
a
you're
13-year-old can relate to me versus a 40-year-old.
I agree 100%.
Yeah. Right. If you're watching some guy who has a kid and like is a dad
Right.
and you're 13 years old, that's not as relatable as like Keaton.
Yeah, I'd be
who's-
like, if I want to see my dad review tech, I'll walk into the kitchen.
Oh, love it.
that's good.
But yeah, I think the best part about having a young audience is I'm a very pop culture person, and I make a lot of pop culture references. And if you look at the comments, go on any video, you'll just have a great day. Just get some popcorn and just read the comments.
Yeah, the comments.
They are nasty.
They have
out
some
there.
fun with you.
Oh, exactly. And I could care less, but it's nice having a young
But
audience.
at the end of the
'cause
day,
they get the
but
humor
at the
and
end
they'll
of
grow.
And at the end of the day, it's tough love. Like they're back the next video.
Right.
It's
exactly.
like,
Exactly.
thanks for watching our video.
Yeah,
Thanks for
they,
giving us the
they
view.
like to
Yeah,
say
thank
like
you,
this guy
exactly.
Keaton is this is that, but then they're there the next
Yeah,
time you
exactly,
post.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Saying the
exactly.
same thing.
So obviously they're enticed by
Thanks for the
something.
views.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, why do you keep coming back? If you leave all this crappy comments, it's like you're right there on the next video. Obviously, you're interested, and obviously, you know.
Yeah. So you guys have a schedule right now. It's every Sunday, and what's your?
It's interesting you mentioned this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to switch it up.
So
okay, nice.
Tuesday, Friday, Sunday,
Tuesday, Friday,
and we're
Sunday.
about to do. Matt and I are talking, but it's probably
Just
gonna be
throw
on Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. We're trying
Monday,
to do 4
Tuesday,
weeks.
Friday, Sunday.
Yeah, we're trying
We're
to
just gonna
do 4.
throw Monday in there now.
Got
Yeah.
it.
God, that
And
gives
so
me
we-
like a headache.
Monday, Tuesday, Friday.
It's but
Like
like
me a headache because
Are there different? Is each day a different thing, or
yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah.
each day's a different video. I want to
Okay.
start rolling out some more series that a lot of my audiences like requested, but I don't know. I feel like I'm not doing enough. But then I also like feel like I'm overwhelmed because
Yeah,
I'm trying
you have to find
I'm
that.
trying to pursue, and we've had this conversation
Yeah.
before. I'm trying to pursue other platforms.
Mhm.
Like I'm really trying to get into acting and skits, and that's what I've been doing with like a lot of my other friends on like my Facebook page.
you're new on Musically? I've heard, right?
Yeah. Me, where my Twitch?
Okay, you don't have to actually make a noise. That's the great part about music.
Oh
You don't
my
have to hear
God,
Keaton sing.
Keaton.
So
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's,
I'm gonna link your channel. But I'm not gonna link your music.
Big
I,
ups.
I have,
I'll link your
Big ups
I have
to
130 followers. I don't know how I
Tori
got them. Don't know how I got them.
Oh my god. Well, yeah, no, I'm honestly excited to see like where because with the change in the last year, I'm really excited to see what you guys do
Yeah.
Are they
next year.
all going to be tech videos? You're going to do 4 tech videos a week?
Dude, well, I don't really consider them all tech
Yeah, I
videos.
don't-
Like
yeah.
3D printed shoes, like
That's not.
they're just like they just happen to be made with tech.
Right.
Rihanna headphones, they just happen to be a pair of headphones.
They're like
Like
fun.
Right.
They're
if
only
you
product
come to the
videos,
channel,
right?
yeah, they're
They're
products.
product
They're not
videos,
like
but it's not.
let's review a graphics card. Like
Yeah.
if that works for you and your audience, great. That's,
Yeah.
I don't care about
Yeah,
that.
that's like tech.
And like I think with each video that Matt and I pick out to do, they relate to people with like in any age, any demographic, and like they're all very interesting, no matter if you care about tech or not.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part is getting the products. For
That-
sure.
Yeah.
Is
You
it
know,
really?
Oh, for
Oh
sure.
yeah.
Bar
Oh
none,
yeah.
Bar none. Hardest part is.
I like what you just said though, right there. You're getting people interested in tech who normally wouldn't be interested in tech. It's kind of like that channel Frog Leap Studios. He does metal covers of pop songs.
Yeah, I checked
and
him
it
out.
really
It was-
it bridges the gap for you. It's
It's
like
good.
it makes an average person understand why someone would like metal. You know what I mean? Which is kind of similar to what you're doing for tech, which I think that's cool.
I want to know what you guys think about unboxing videos.
Okay.
I mean, I guess it's 2012 again. But
You go.
There we
You
go.
go.
The channel,
That-
okay, just
Yeah.
be fair. You know the channel Unbox Therapy or
Yeah.
whatever?
Okay.
He's crushing it.
Yeah, he
all
does
the
a great
time.
job at what he does.
What do you think about unboxing videos? Because
he
that's
doesn't
not
unbox
just
anymore
tech.
as much.
Oh, he
Right.
doesn't unbox it.
No.
No, he,
Does
he
he?
used to do just unboxing, like
Yeah.
really focus on like here's what it looks like, here's how it's packaged,
Yeah.
and now it's more like reviewy. But I'd say like unboxing was like big. I remember when unboxing was huge, and like you wanted to watch unboxings of stuff, but like I don't know, I feel like
It's just another trend on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's how, that's
It's
how I
on
look
YouTube,
at
I
it.
know,
It's
for
like
sure.
it was great. It wasn't for us. I don't think we ever tried to do it. Like maybe 1 or 2 times.
sometimes if the packaging is really cool, like we'll unbox
Yeah.
it on camera, like the
Exactly.
shoes or whatever,
like
like
or
we
the Dolce & Gabbana headphones.
right, like we unbox those on camera because
Yeah,
like that's
'cause
If
something
there's a cool
special.
box to show,
Yeah.
we'll show it. But
Right.
like, hi, everyone knows what an iPhone box
Right.
is. Like, if that's what you really enjoy, like that's just what you enjoy. Like, I'll go buy you one and you can unbox it yourself.
I'll give you my box.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you do it for me. Like, you know, I don't know. It's just one of those trends in YouTube, and I've been seeing a lot more of those recently with like the community building, and you know, as I mentioned before.
I don't know, the tech community is interesting. I'm glad
Very interesting.
We're in a bubble, and I kind of we're in a tech bubble. No
Well,
pun
like-
intended.
You are though.
We are.
That's why, like when Keaton first came over and we were hanging out and talking about it, it was interesting to hear how his world might be different than my world, or his perception of YouTube is very different than my perception of YouTube because we come from different worlds
Yeah.
within the same space. But you guys really are in a bubble, and sometimes it's comforting to hear like maybe what's stressing you out isn't a big deal to someone else, and vice versa.
For sure.
You know.
Yeah.
I think it's like the best thing about working in this space is like
Yeah.
ever since I moved from my old home, which I was not a fan of, I have like friends that like can help comfort me if like I'm getting stressed about YouTube stuff. And it's not really YouTube, but it's more of like the other social media
Right,
platforms. Because
yeah.
like that's what they dominate in. Like I'm not trying to be cocky and say like I dominate YouTube, but like video is my platform.
So cocky, and I'm offended now. I'm kidding.
and they have nothing to do with tech, which is
Right.
like good. I like
Yeah,
the diversity,
exactly.
so that we don't
Definitely
hang out
respect
with tech YouTubers at all.
None,
Not
zero,
really, no.
No, zero tech YouTubers.
Zero tech YouTubers.
Yeah, no, we do our own thing.
So you don't hang out with any. I don't hang out with any. Do you hang out with any other tech?
No, well, actually, no, I'm just kidding.
No, do I? I mean, do
No.
I? No, I remember like when you hit me up or you tweeted at me or whatever, saying like, "What's up?" I watch your like vlogs.
Yeah.
I that was the first connection or talk or conversation I had with anyone in the tech space. So yeah,
But I like there's also like there's not too much drama at all either. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you see so much of the,
well, there's drama that you see, and then there's drama that you don't see.
but there's not like you
more of a
know,
civilized
grade A under
community.
A.
Yeah.
There's not like
There's
grade
no
A under A.
Keemstar for tech. Yeah.
Right. Keen would love to be on Keemstar. If we woke up one morning
Oh
and he
my
saw
God.
his name on
Right.
Keemstar,
Babe Nate's right.
God.
he secretly would love to be on Keemstar if we woke
I
up.
really like
Jenna-
Keemstar
Jenna
what he
was in the
does.
thumbnail
I'll
one day.
I'll take it on the record. I
Jenna
like
was in the
Yankee.
thumbnail of Keemstar.
Yeah, I've seen it.
And I was like, keep my name out your motherfucking mouth.
But it was just a congratulations
Respect
for
it.
being on
Respect
Family
it.
Guy.
It was
Yeah.
nice. It was nice.
That was good.
That's good that you guys. So you're saying within the tech world of YouTube, though, you guys don't have any like. There's no hate going on. You guys respect each other. Don't isolate your friends.
for the most part, I feel like that's what they were saying. There's obviously strife in anything ever,
Yeah.
right? That goes on.
Personalities or
Yeah,
whatever.
absolutely.
But I mean, it's not like people openly hate each other.
Yeah.
or, you
No,
know,
No, there's not like call out.
And it's
Yeah.
more,
Yeah.
it's not
It's
meta
more
at this point,
civilized.
like it is for
I feel
the
like
rest
it's
of
just
YouTube.
like more. It's a more civilized community.
Yeah.
It's also the point of almost where like you go at someone by like publishing your video, and it's like if we beat you to that, like that was how we attack. Like
Right.
it's weird to say that.
It's like it's like music. It's like a
but
diss track.
but it's a mutual respect. Like
It's
if you
totally
do beat
mutual.
someone,
Yeah.
they're like, okay, you beat me.
you beat me.
Yeah.
and
Right.
then they
Yeah.
could just make the same video. You know?
Oh my god. Okay, so mostly mutual respect.
Yeah, mostly mutual respect.
So, but what else though? Like, where do you guys see yourselves going, or where do you want?
Where
to
do you
go?
see yourself in 5 years?
No, not even like
Jenna
that.
just asked the question she hates being asked.
No, not even
Caught
like
you.
that. Not even like that. It's just like you want it to be Keaton based, and you want people to.
Yeah.
It would be like entertainment.
Right.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I never considered myself an entertainer until I got out here.
Hmm.
But like, if I look at the roots of it, that's what I am. And I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but like, I still want the channel to be entertaining, and I also want to be doing acting and stuff that is comedy based. Because like, I know I'm funny. Like Matt knows that. Like I've been told I'm funny, so like I'm a big comedian now. But like, I want to pursue avenues on that aren't just product based. So I think that's what I want to be doing in 5 years, is just still in the social space. And I mean, just to answer for like Matt and what I'd like him to be there with me, because like he has been my best friend, has really great insight on like anything I do, and it's just like it's a valuable opinion that like I've not seen in any other individual. And like, I don't know, it's a really rare perspective.
It's
and I think
totally rare.
Yeah.
it's like, and everyone said that like what you guys have is so close. I'm like, easy, like easy does it there, Tiger.
But it's like I don't
Yeah.
know. I always say I would love to find a YouTube channel that is like the same kind of scope as us. Like, but also like I'm so closely related, but
Yeah.
not on the channel.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like he gets recognized, I don't get recognized.
Well,
Well,
I
that
have
would-
one for you, Mike and Guion of.
That's actually a great example of
Never heard of
Bro
something.
Science Life.
Never.
Dom Mazzetti.
Dom Mazzetti.
Oh, okay. What are they like? What are they?
He does like parody fitness videos, but his off-screen writer partner is his
Yeah.
50-50 partner, everything, and they call it Mike and Guion, right? That's their thing. Like, anyway, when I first met Keaton and then I met you, it was very, very unique to see the relationship you guys had and how functional it was, especially for how young you are.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't see that, which is something like you appreciate, especially when, I'm dating Jenna. We work in the same space, but even
Yeah,
just
you guys
having a
live
friend.
together, right?
Yeah.
For
Yeah, we
most
do.
Yeah,
of
you live together, you work together, you
Yeah.
do everything together.
Yeah.
You guys have like the same situation with me and Julian.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. No, it's cool though. I
But it takes a
respect
lot
that
of
big
work.
time. Yeah, it
It
takes
does,
a
yeah.
lot
No
of
one
work.
sees. That's the
It's-
thing.
yeah,
Nobody
it
sees.
takes-
We all know because we do it.
Right.
But it's an iceberg, and you see that the video is the tip.
Yeah.
And what's below the water is like that.
Yeah, it's
Right.
That's
big.
so true.
And like it's
Yeah.
so like you have to tell.
It's a group
people that.
effort. It's a group effort.
It's a group
you know?
effort for sure.
I respect YouTubers that can do it all on their own.
Yeah.
I'm not one of those YouTubers.
Yeah. And you don't claim to be. You
No.
know
No,
what
not
your
at all.
system
Yeah,
is. You know
exactly.
what you need. Yeah, which is awesome.
But yeah, I don't know. Really happy to have Matt here, especially right now. We're doing a lot of big stuff. And
no, it's
When
good.
did you move out here?
I just came in January and we just like crushed it. We did. Like,
No, we legit did crush it.
What did we? How many subscribers did we have? Like
We had 600 at the start.
and we just passed 900,000.
Yeah,
Wow.
beast.
So we had, like,
Beast.
Yeah.
Like
That's awesome.
Yeah, a third of that, and like millions next. Like
Yeah.
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
big. I'm excited. Like I never
Yeah.
got excited.
I'll get you guys
before.
Oh,
a
Matt's
I
excited.
got excited.
Right?
Like,
Yeah, no,
it's,
that's-
it's kind
it's
of been like
huge,
our
dude.
baby
It's,
for a
it's,
while.
huge.
it's a really big deal, and you guys should be really proud.
Thank
It's
you.
a lot of work, and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Giving up a lot. Gave up my entire high school career. Never
Yes,
partied
you
in high
did.
school.
high school career.
Never partied in high school, my friends.
Guys, you're missing out if you're not checking out TechSmart. Go to their YouTube channel. We'll link it below. It's youtube.com/tech because Keaton has all the URLs, all the usernames.
Thank you, Julian.
But thank you guys for joining us on the
So
podcast.
true.
This is seriously a really interesting conversation.
Thank you.
Thank
you
feel-
for having me,
I feel
Julian,
enlightened.
Jenna.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you guys are cool. Very cool.
Thanks, Shannon.
So
cool.
we'll see you every Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday.
For a little bit until
All right.
we want to.
We'll see you on.
upload that much.
Yeah.
Oh, my friend.
Until we get sick of editing 4 videos a week.
Oh,
And if you-
is that a plural I heard or a Matt?
Until
Now they're starting to
You guys
argue.
might go
Guys,
crazy.
you're like
Burnout is real. Burnout is a thing.
I wouldn't call
It
it burnout.
exists.
I'm just like
You guys should
passionate
just-
about it.
Yeah,
And like,
no.
Exists.
If you have to edit 10 videos a day, then just,
No,
just
they-
use some Headspace. It's fine.
Exactly.
Just use
Right,
Headspace.
get the Headspace.
there you go.
Headspace.
There you go.
Guys, check out Headspace. Go to headspace.com/JennaJulian. Again, we appreciate you guys coming on the podcast. Thank
Thank you for having me.
Anything
Yeah.
else that you want to shamelessly
Yeah, are you
plug or
you
talk
working on
about
anything?
or-
You wanna push
I have a
anyone?
question. I have a question.
Yeah.
This is I need the true, honest opinion.
Yeah, what's up?
okay. But because I know what you will say. Okay, these jeans, I just got them.
I like
Ugliest thing or cool?
No, those are
No,
dope. Only
I'm
if you wear it
down
with that hat, though.
those.
No,
I
this
like
hat.
them.
Oh,
Yeah,
true.
They kind of match that.
True. I got
Just
banana hat.
yeah, that's a good. I like your steez, dude. You got no.
I like
the hat
them,
on.
and I think that you
Matt,
did it
put the
right
hat on.
though. You're
Might as well
wearing
see
a,
what-
No, I
a
can't wear
white
this hat.
shirt.
What- hey,
white shirt.
hey.
I think that they look
Don't
good.
talk about that like that. You don't
Because
talk
I
like
was
that.
getting some weird looks in the airport, but
That's probably because you are wearing a hat with a banana on it, which I would have done too.
We were wearing pajamas
Oh
previously.
my God.
true.
It's a cool hat. It's a dad hat.
This
I
hat was
love it.
$3.
Where'd you get that hat?
Forever 21. I've never shopped there, and my girlfriend
What,
took me.
dude? They
It's a
just
great
they
store.
just they
Oh,
just took
girlfriend
away
now.
the men's section.
Yeah,
at our local one. It's
like-
gone.
98% women's, and there's like a tiny little corner
But they
with the
used to
men's
have
stuff.
a substantial guys section, and now it's gone. They were like, "Fuck
Is
it."
it totally gone?
Well, I think it's narrowed to like one corner, but it's not what's going in there.
Eastview Mall, right? Eastview Mall.
Yeah, Eastview Mall.
Good mall.
Oh, it's the best one.
Do you remember FYE? Did you ever go to FYE?
I'm pretty sure, yes.
Like with the arcade, and it
That
had
was-
the music store.
Yeah, yes.
That's
We
where Forever
talked about.
21 is now. They dumped FYE. FYE got dumped a long time ago.
Shut
But FYE,
What is
but
this?
now
I don't know. it's
Forever
just
21 is
That's
net.
so
relishing in
sad.
a nobody town in New York.
What a no! Rochester, New York. There's a reason.
Boy. All right, guys. Well, we'll wrap it up. Thanks
Keep
for
Rochester's
thanks for coming
name
by. We're
out
gonna
your
wrap it up so they can talk
motherfucking
about
mouth.
Rochester, which they can do all they
Yeah,
want.
I don't know. I didn't really like where I grew up, so
We'll see you guys
That's why I
next
don't
week
care.
for another podcast. Hopefully, you've been enjoying the guests we have. We actually will have another guest next week too. We're having
we're
a
coming
nice,
back,
We're having a
guys.
nice streak. No, they're not. We're having a better guest. We're having a nice streak of guests. Is this that's 4 weeks in a row? Because so Debbie. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we have a nice little streaky guest. So we'll see you guys next week for another
Yeah.
podcast. Dink dink. See you guys later.
Dink.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye.